You don't go to Publix and pick up a gallon of orange juice and it just showed up there. You know, it starts here. And it takes a lot of heartache, a lot of sweat, blood, and tears to get it there.
It's a family-owned business.
It was a 10-acre block, and when my wife and I got married, we had that, and now we've built it up to real close to 100 acres of citrus. We have a name for each block.
The roots run deep at Green's citrus groves. Every 10 acres tells a story.
We call it B&B block for Bill and Ben. This was the block that we planted right before they started college, and we was going to let it pay for their college.
Bill and Ben are Frank's sons. This grove is 25 years old. It used to produce 9,000 boxes of oranges per acre. Now, it's at 4,000. The oldest block of groves dates back to 1917.
I depend on Bill. He keeps it all in his head.
Bill is now in the driver's seat as the third-generation farmer of the Valencia oranges.
We're all juice fruit. It's the easiest for us to take care of because it's my dad and I.
It's a tough time for the citrus industry, especially for small farms.
So many variables that are uncontrollable that it's a tough industry, and I hope, well, I pray that it'll be here for my grandkids.
The juice from their family trees are at risk of drying up due to citrus screening.
Give an analogy of cancer.
Bugs called psyllids are the culprit, piercing the leaves to get nutrients, which infects the tree from the roots to the fruit.
Spent a lot of time and money battling greening, and that's pretty much the state of Florida is 100% infected.
97% of their groves are impacted by greening. Production goes down, but not the quality of the oranges.
I mean, we hope that, you know, the state's able to come up with a way to hopefully cure it. I mean, that would be the ideal situation. Although, you know, in the back of a grower's mind is what's next.
What's next for Bill's two sons and generations to come? This is the Green family's livelihood.
That's where I come from. It's you know, it's something to be proud of. So, you know, it's a special deal. So,
the future of the three-generation farm brings Bill to tears.
you have a whole different appreciation of where things come from when you've lived it. So it's a good thing, and we all love it. I mean, that's why we do it, because it's not for the money, you know. So.